In this video, we will go step by step on how to change the footer of the ColorMag theme for WordPress. First, we log into the admin panel. Then, we go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. On this page, we go to Template Parts and then Hook. Click on Footer and then Footer.php. Wait for the page to load. Scroll down, and after the command $default footer value equals sprint, we make the adjustments we want. Once we have finished making the changes, click Update File. That's it. Thank you for following along. If you liked it, please subscribe and share this video.